How to locate Santander Bank branches and ATMs near you. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. At the very top, you can see this search box. Type in there santanderbank.com. You will be directed to the official page of Santander Bank. Now at the top right, you can see this option of find a branch or ATM. Click on it. At the top left corner, you can find this search box where you will need to enter the city, state or zip code. By entering the name of the city, state or zip code, you will be able to find the branch or ATM nearby you of Santander Bank. Here I have wrote the zip code and I'm searching for it. And here you can see that found 20 results within 1.0 miles. I have lots of options now. You will also get tons of results after you search it. So these are the branches and ATM of Santander Bank nearby me. If you want to get direction, you can click on this option of get direction as well. Also, you can click on this option of ATM details to get the detail of ATM. So this is how you can locate Santander Bank branches and ATMs near you. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.